Okay, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this video will be the styling video. So basically I'm not gonna do anything but just styling my hair with this beautiful baby. I already have a review and demo for this one on my channel, so this will be a quick thing. So I'm gonna speed up, maybe I'm gonna speed up everything, but that's what I'm gonna use and just like set my hair after cutting it. So let's do it. So it's set up on to 10 and it's 8 seconds 8 seconds like swirling and or like swirling, yeah, and rotating. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use a couple of spray from this beautiful oil from OGX Argan Oil of Morocco. Sorry, this is like, I'm in love with this one. It's so nice, but I don't use a lot of it because it makes my hair greasy and a little bit oily. So I don't know, but I feel the lens is not that clean, so let me just ooh, I'm back. Okay, yay. So let's jump into the styling thing and see how it's gonna turn out. So yeah, I'm gonna style it in a different way. So usually I style it in like 2/2, but now I'm gonna from down up. So let's do it.
There must be more to life than this. Reaching for the stars, traveling so far, like a dragonfly. Just grab my hand from heaven send. With me tonight, I run away. to find a place in this world.
When I'm up through the night, I can't turn down the noise. Tear all the worries out of my mind about who I'm supposed to be. I start to believe I can't get it right. Remember the days I let slip away. They were simpler times. Mama told me before you leave, if there's only one thing you remember from me, child, when you're out on your own, a million miles from home, feeling the weight of the world on your shoulders. Child, don't forget who you are. Don't lose your head or your heart. I'll bet my life on your stars. You'll be dancing, dancing on the moon. I'll bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon. I'll bet my life you'll be dancing. my compass was wrong, and I'm still on my way closer each day to where I belong. I'm still rolling the dice, praying sometimes it don't last that long. I'm losing my faith, I'm walking away from what you knew all along. Mama told me before you leave, if there's only one thing you remember from me, child, when you're out on your own, a million miles from home, feeling the weight of the world on your shoulders, child, don't forget who you are, don't lose your head or your heart. I'll bet my life on your stars, you'll be dancing, dancing on the moon. I'll bet my life, you'll be dancing on the moon. I'll bet my life, you'll be dancing on the moon. I'll bet my life, you'll be dancing on the moon. Dancing on the moon. Child, when you're out on your own, a million miles from home, feeling the weight of the world on your shoulders, child, don't forget who you.
So you just saw my hair and how it looks like now from the front and you saw from the back. It's a little bit different styling from the last video that I used the style auto color from Philips, because the first two layers I did each side away from my face, so I was like turning this bottom here to like to the right, to the left, to make the curls go away from my face. But the rest of my hair, I just made it like one to the left and one to the side, but I just made the framing hair away from my face, so you know what I mean. So it was just like going back and forth, just like one to the right, one to the left, but here it's just away from my face. That's why it's a little bit different from the last styling, and it looks different. Really, I feel the difference, especially in the back, from my last styling, because not only because the way of the curl, but because of the layers itself. I can see the difference in the styling, in the volume of my hair around my face. It's just so beautiful, and I still have a bunch of hair long, a lot of like long hair, and I feel it has very good volume. So yeah, this is the final look. I really hope you like this styling video, and I hope you like the other video, the hair cut tutorial. And yeah, this is for this video. I really hope you like it, and of course, as usual, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and share the video with your friends if you like it. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Okay. Yay! These links will be in the description box down below, and don't forget to hit the like button for segments. Like button. There's a fly here, so it's just like open it up. Okay, here we go. Then hit the like button, the notification button, so you'll have a notification every button. So you have notification every time I upload a video on my channel, and I'm gonna see you soon in the next video. And I'm gonna enjoy my hair. Ta-da! Love you so much. Bye.